Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to talk about static verbs and dynamic verbs. Introducing. In English, verb can be stative or dynamic, depending on whether they describe a state or an action. Understanding the difference helps you use the correct deeds and form in speaking and writing. Static verbs describe a state, condition, or situation that does not change over time. They often relate to thoughts, emotions, possessions, and senses. For example, emotion, love, like, hate, prefer, possessions, have, own, belong, mental state, know, believe, remember, and understand. Senses, hear, see, taste, smell. Dynamic verbs describe action or processes. They can start and stop. This verb can usually be used in continuous progressive tenses. For example, physical action, run, swim, write, jump, speak or communication, talk, say, shout, explain, change, grow, improve, bow, develop. For example, she is writing an essay. She loves chocolate. He is explaining the rules. He knows the answer. The baby is growing fast. Okay, now we are going to do some exercise. The first words. He knows or is knowing the answer. The correct answer is he knows because it's a mental state. I am eating right now because it's an action in progress. She loves classical music because it's an emotion. They are playing football at the moment because it's an action in progress. We have a big house because it's a possession. You look great today because it's appearing. I think this is a bad idea because it's an opinion. The baby is sleeping in the crib because it's an action in progress. Now, difference between static verbs and dynamic verbs. Describe static verb states and dynamic verb actions. Continuous tenses. Static verb is usually not used and dynamic verb commonly used. Example: static verb now, love, own, believe, and dynamic verbs run, eat, write, speak. Change over time, static verb now and dynamic verb yes.